Yeah, welcome back everybody. So for this set of videos, this is going to be the house body, which we will start on the top plane here. I'm going to try to keep these videos 10 minutes or less, 10 or 15 minutes anyway. So let's start on the origin here, and we're just going to draw the rough shape. There we go. That's okay. Now let's overall dimension the width here. This is 110 feet. There. Alright. And alright, this is 47 foot. This is 32 feet. We're going to make this line and this line vertical and collinear. Alright. We know this is 31 foot 4 inches. These are the outside dimensions, so when we extrude this, we're going to extrude it into the sketch. Alright. This from here to here is 3 feet 11 inches. I think from here on out, I think just about everything else should be defined. Let's see. That's 2 foot. And this is 30 foot 8 inches. That's correct. This is 9 foot 4 inches. Okay, so now we got our sketch fully defined. There's a couple ways you could do this. You could do offset entities and do this. This is an outside wall, so this is 6 inches thick. I'm going to do an extruded boss. And these are 8 foot and 10.25 inches tall. I'm going to check this little box here that says thin feature, and we're going to make this 6 inches. Now, if you look at the sketch now, let's go normal onto the sketch again. See how it's kind of going outside the line? We need it to go inside the line. So I'm going to click the little direction button here. Now, see how it's going inside? That's what we like. So now, green check, boom. Now we got all of our outside walls. Okay, I think the easiest thing to do would just be to do this in sections. So let's start with this corner, and we'll just work our way over, I guess. Yeah. Actually, let's cut out all the windows and doors on this wall first. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna hide this bottom part here. So I'm gonna click on section view. I'm gonna drag this up to here so I can clearly see this wall. I'm gonna make the sketch on this wall, so these last couple of windows we're gonna have to cut them out separate. So if we do this sketch and we cut it outward this way, it's not going to intersect with that. So let's just go normal onto here. I'm pretty sure all these windows are 5 foot and 7 5/8 off the ground there. So 5/8, let's see. It's 0.625. So let's draw a sketch on this wall. And let's make a center line here, all the way across, and we'll dimension that. From the bottom, we'll make that 5 foot and 7.625 inches. So that's going to be the height for all of our windows. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows and a door. So 1, 2, we got a door, window. Whoops, shoot. Then we got a big window, another window, and a couple windows, small windows. Alright, let's do some dimensioning. 24. So these two windows are the same, so we'll make these two lines collinear and equal. And we'll make these two lines equal. And these windows are 24 inches by 36 inches. And from the outside wall to the center of this window, it is 6 foot and 6 inches. 78 inches. And from the center of this window to the center of this window is 11 foot 8 inches. Now I got this door. This is a 30-inch door. And this is going to be 6 foot 6 inches. And it is 10 foot from the center of this window to the center of this door. Okay. This next window is 30 by 28. And from the center of this door to the center of this window is 16 foot 9.5 inches. And then this is 60 by 66. Oh, this is these are sliding doors. So let's break this relationship here. This is a pair of double doors. This is going to be 6 foot 6 inches. And from the center of this window to the center of these double doors, looks like 8 foot 4 inches. No, this is 10 foot 6 inches, I'm sorry. Alright, this window, it should be way over here. Here. This guy is 68 by 50. And this is 8 foot 4 inches. Alright, now these two windows are the same. So I'm going to make these two lines equal and collinear. I'll make these two lines equal. And these are 26 by 40. And from the center of this window to the center of this window, looking at I think I'm missing a window, and I am. Okay, I'm going to add one in here. This is going to be right before there. And this window is, I'm going to say 20 by 30. And it is 10 foot 2.5 inches. That's doesn't look right. Let's make sure. So 8, 10, 16, 9.5. Double doors, 10 foot 6. 8 foot 4 inches is a big window. A big window over. Oh, it's just 12 foot, that's why. Okay, 10 foot, 2.5 inches. Okay, that's better. Alright. And then from this window, now these windows are coming off of this edge. So from here to here, that's 10 foot 8 inches. And then from here to here, center and center, it doesn't say. I'll have to go from the other side. So this is alright, this dimension actually, sorry, I did it a different way the first time I did it. This is 10 foot and 0.5 inches. Alright, so that's all the windows fully defined. So now what we have to do is we're going to do an extruded cut, and we're going to do selected contours. So we're going to choose all these that are on this wall first. This and this guy. And then we'll extrude them up to next. And we'll green check. Now, using that same sketch, just click the sketch, and then click extruded cut. Select contours. It's going to say sketch 2. Just delete that out. And choose this sketch and this sketch. And then do these up to next. That should, nope. Do these up to surface. Up to surface. And just pick this as the surface. And there you go. So there's all of our doors and windows on this side. When we come back, we'll do all the doors and windows. Do all the doors and windows on the other side. Alright, I'll see you then. Hope this helps.